Kalkin hun menteri ka sorkar jela ha ka santrik jemang kala ai ka jing manjur na ka benta ka jing pendut ka batmai ya ka phase 1 jong ka new shillong water supply scheme ka bakat shaka nyospa nyopo klur tingka na ka sanspa sunfly klur tingka ka balapun bena hashwa habakran shakilat pathai kubor hadin ka jingalang Umentri batnong aiktin ka sorkar MDA uba wailat ki shila ula batai ba kani ka jingkiew ka bakan aspa khatsan klur tingka kalong namar ka jingpynkynriah ya kadam shaneng jongkawa namar ka jingthmu banshna ya ka jakat henyun katkum ka juk sayan ha nong hali ka jingring boarding ber ka jingthet jaka kani ka jaka bashna ya kadam lahaban pynkynriah no shaneng jongkawa hadin baka sorkar kala ithu ya kanong hali kum ka jaka ka babyang na ka benta ban penlong kum ka jaka thenyun kat kum ka juk sayan ong uba wailat ulo ong ru bakila don ki wei ki jing penlut na ka benta ban penya ikilan boarding ka balakin tiwe ki jing lut jing sam bat ha ka juk ka por na mar ka jing don kam ban thiet jaka ru kala nang kin tiu ya ka jing mang pisa habakli balei ba om pynkynriah kham hashwa ya kadam uba wailat ulo ong baka jaka ban penlong jaka thenyun kadai ke bawan hadin bat kampat shim la don ka nuwa ko jing shim rai ha ka por ba penkhre ya ka water supply scheme kani kalawan long na du kham hashwa ka rai bayade bat ka jaka thenyut shibun ki EOI kilawan kumta ha ka te ka por ngimpat shim latip satya ka nu ka jaka kadai ka babyang Deitat hadin bakila lej banjurip bakila sham bakanong hali kadai ka babyang tam uloong Uban rap baka plan jongga tenat PHE na kabenta ka water supply scheme keladap dan lupa hashwa katika jakat henyun. Na kata daw hadien bangilas nguthu pakadai na kabenta ka scheme sam kumta kamla bandan hajan ka jaka berat nyun pat na kata daw ni haban pynkynriah no shaneng jongkawa.
The revised estimate for the Shillong Township water supply scheme. Water supply scheme it's the 770 crores from the 553 before. Then it has become 770. It's because of the shifting of the area for constructing of a dam, where we have to take it upstream because of the coming up of the scientific this landfill in Nonghali, and also because we have to have a dedicated electrical lines. So that also has really increased the cost, and at the same time because we have to for the LA also for the land, because we will be needing a lot of land. So that's why it is for the land acquisition as well.
Why the government is thinking now only about it? When they planned it, they know that this has to be done.
No, because this was way before, because during the scientific landfill, so there were many EOI which came. So at that point of time, we don't know which landfill will be suitable. So during the when they go for inspection, then only they came to know that okay, Nonghali is feasible. So but by that time that the PHE department or for this Shillong water supply scheme, the plan was already there. So that's why, but later on we shift. So you do realize, because we are it is for the water supply scheme, so it cannot be near the landfill. So that's why we have to push it upstream.